is a very expensive sector. Who is going to give you money so that you can also get a license, exploration license, and then mining lease, and then get access to surface right of the land? Who is going to give you this money at table? So the inclusiveness you are asking for comes with that obligation of being financially sound. Interrogate further and get issues which inhibit women and youth from getting access to affordable finances. Affordable, not expensive money. So these are the issues. The minerals are there underground. We want to be included. We want to participate. How will you participate? So sit and open up. Be true to yourselves and really open up. Come up with workable and actionable points that will guide governments and us, the policymakers, and therefore we will walk out with our heads high. So today we have the privilege to launch this project, which is targeting promoting women and youth participation in mining sector in the Great Lakes region. And the initiative has been generously funded by the Kingdom of the Region, and will be implemented by, I think, the leader here will be the special envoy of the United Nations Secretary General in the Great Lakes region. So you will lead us in this implementation. We take this opportunity to thank you, our representative from the Kingdom of the Region, for the support that you've given us so far. And the project's goal includes empowering you, but you must know where, from which area are we expecting, and I'll be telling you what Uganda has done. I hope the knowledge and the skills that will be gained on the subject of this workshop will make this project a success.
The heads of state committed themselves to make our minerals not a curse, but to turn our natural resources into wealth for all. I remember we organized that summit and we came up with the 6 tools. I believe during these 3 days of the workshop, we'll have to interrogate those 6 tools. And since I'll be moderating one of the sessions, Honorable Minister, it will be a quiz. If you remember the 6 tools. But most important, when I see our women, especially, and the youth who are involved in the mining sector of our respective countries, one of our tools was to formalize the artisan mining. And as we heard from Dr. Mali, almost 2/3 of those involved in mining, small mining, are the women. And this is why I want to thank both ICGLR and the Office of the Special Envoy for taking this to their next level, that we should meet to promote the women. Started in the early gender, because men thought they were left out. I see they are majority here than the women. But we are here to promote gender, the women and the youth participation in the mining sector. I'm happy also to see that I see my sisters from Tanzania, powerful women in the mining sector. At least for Tanzania, it has never been a curse. There will be a lot to share